Smart gold investing alternatives to physical purchases. Gold has long been a safe haven for wealth in Indian families, providing both economic and emotional security across centuries. However, with gold prices hitting record highs, buying physical gold in large quantities like bars or jewelry is often out of reach. The good news is that numerous alternatives allow you to gain exposure to gold without the massive upfront cost, making it accessible for smart savers. Why gold remains a valuable asset? Gold acts as a crucial hedge against economic uncertainty, inflation, and currency volatility. Beyond its financial role, it holds significant cultural importance for Indian investors, with high demand during the wedding season and festivals. Unlike equities, gold typically retains its value or performs well during uncertain market conditions. While traditional buys like gold coins or jewelry are still viable, they come with hefty making charges and storage fees. This is why wiser, more cost-effective alternatives have emerged for the thrifty investor. Cost-effective ways to invest in gold. Here are the modern ways to invest in gold without breaking the bank. 1. Gold Exchange Traded Funds (ETFs). Gold ETFs are arguably the simplest way to invest in small, precise quantities of gold. How they work? Traded on stock markets, each unit typically represents 1 gram of gold. They are bought and sold just like company shares. Benefits. You avoid concerns about the purity or physical custody of the metal. You can start with the price of a single unit. Requirement. You do need a demat account and must pay minimal annual expense charges. Sovereign Gold Bonds, SGBs. Guaranteed by the Government of India, SGBs allow you to buy gold in electronic form at costs generally lower than physical jewelry. Key feature. SGBs offer 2.5% annual interest on your initial investment in addition to the appreciation in the price of gold. Accessibility. Denominations are as low as 1 gram. They also completely solve the storage problem. The catch. Pre-withdrawal is generally not permitted before 5 years, though the bonds can be sold on stock exchanges. Digital gold. Fintech companies offer platforms to buy digital gold online in amounts as small as 10 rupees. Security. Your gold is collateralized against physical holdings stored in secure vaults, with the ownership digitally recorded in your name. Flexibility. You have the option to later redeem your holdings for physical jewelry, coins, or bars, or simply sell them back online. Caution: always research the platform's reputation and check the charges before subscribing, even though it's highly convenient. Gold mutual funds. Gold mutual funds are a great choice for the novice investor. How they work? These funds invest in gold ETFs on your behalf. Benefits. They offer professional management, liquidity, and allow for systematic investment plans starting with as little as Rs 500 a month. This lets you purchase gold exposure in small pieces over time. The trade-off. The expense ratio is usually a little higher compared to investing in gold ETFs directly. The bottom line. Purchasing gold no longer requires a gargantuan lump sum of physical ownership. Instruments like sovereign gold bonds, digital gold, ETFs, and mutual funds allow for small regular investments that deliver all the financial benefits of gold ownership without the associated costs and hassles. For long-term wealth creation, these modern methods can significantly help diversify your portfolio and grow your wealth. Frequently asked questions. Q1. Is digital gold safe? Digital gold is typically backed by physical holdings, but its security largely depends on the reputation of the platform. Stick to well-known or RBI-regulated providers. Q2. Gold ETF or sovereign gold bond, which is best? ETFs offer better liquidity and convenience for short-term needs, while SGBs are better for long-term gains as they offer additional interest returns but with a longer lock-in period. Your choice depends on your investment time horizon. Q3. Can I invest in gold using an SIP? You can invest in gold using an SIP starting as small as Rs 500 a month, making it an easy and disciplined way to accumulate gold exposure over time.